Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I was traveling a lot and most of my skincare were in Bangalore, and honestly my skin was getting dull and tan. I want something effective but still in my budget. So after a little research I got my hands on few Derma Co product. Derma Co 2% Niacinamide Gentle Skin Cleanser. This cleanser is super gentle, no irritation, no fragrance and completely soap free. It doesn't strip your skin at all, which I love, especially when I'm traveling. It works for dry, normal and even sensitive skin. It just leaves your face clean and soft and balanced. Take your time and cleanse your face nicely for 5 to 6 minutes. After that, wash it off with lukewarm water. Derma Co 13% AHA plus 2% BHA Peeling Solution. This is my first time using Derma Co. Since I have used the ordinary before, I compared the both ingredient list. They are almost exactly the same, literally a perfect dupe. The ordinary is little bit pricey, but this one is more affordable and works the same. Only the difference is the color. The ordinary is more pigmented and this one is lighter. This is perfect for removing tan, cleansing clogged pores and giving that fresh glass skin effect. Just use once a week for 10 minutes only, not more than that. It has 10% glycolic acid, 10% lactic acid, 10% mandelic acid and 2% salicylic acid. And I will also suggest that before using any of this product, please do patch test on your neck or behind your ear. Even though all these products are dermatologically tested, but every skin reacts differently, so always do patch test first. So after applying the peel, I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes, and once the time is up, I'm gonna gently wipe it up using lukewarm water. Before using any product, please read leaflet inside the box for proper and safe use. Guys, look at this glow, like literally one use and my skin looks so fresh. And the best part, my blackheads and whiteheads came out so easily, my nose feels so smooth. Next is Glycolic Toner. This has 7% glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid and cinnamide complex mint. It exfoliates the skin very mildly and helps with dullness, texture and tan. If your skin is rough and uneven from sun exposure, this really helps to smooth it out. And because it has hydrating ingredients, it doesn't burn the skin like strong toners. You can put the product on your hand and dab it on your face for better absorption. After that, I'm using Derma Co 10% Vitamin C Serum with 5% Niacinamide on it. This Vitamin C Serum is perfect for beginner, not too strong, not too irritating. It's brighten the skin, fade the pigmentation, boost the glow and help with dark spot. The niacinamide inside the product makes it even more stable and gentle. What I like is the texture. It's absorbed quickly and it doesn't feel sticky at all. Honestly, for the price, this is the one of the best vitamin C option in the market. Guys, don't only apply on your face, apply on your neck also. And do the dab it motion all over your face and neck. After that, I'm using Derma Co 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen SBI 50 PA++. I have already used this sunscreen before. This is my second purchase and I must say that I love it. The most important step, this sunscreen is oil-free, matte, lightweight and leaves zero white cast. It has niacinamide plus gene PCA, good for acne-prone skin. It gives blue light protection and it is water plus sweat resistant, which is great for outdoor travel. It blends into the skin like gel, not heavy at all and works under the makeup too. All these products are budget friendly, travel friendly and dermatologically tested. If you want glow, smooth texture and tan correcting without spending too much, Derma Co honestly has a great product option. After taking care of my skin, I'm also adding a little bit lip and cheek tint on my face just to bring out the natural color and make my skin look fresh and alive. So yeah, these are my favorite picks and some of them are really great dupe, especially the peeling solution. Hope this helps you to choose the right skincare for your routine. See you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.